Na ka jingyalang ki shipotli ki Autonomous District Council kabala pelong ha ka shipotarik unayla aja arpusaw kila shim ya karay bantaw da ka committee na kabenta ban budin halor ka jingpin kre ka sarkar India ya ka jingpin kala ya ka 6th schedule jong ka jingpin kala ya ka article shispa arpusan jong ka riti sinchar kari India. Hagan ye jingalang lawan banyak shimbenta riki nong yalam ka Autonomous District Council, bakin Thopia ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council, ka Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, ka Lai Autonomous District Council, ka Chakma Autonomous District Council, Mara Autonomous District Council, ka Bodoland Territorial Council, but ka North Chachar Hills Autonomous District Council. Habakran Chikilal Patay Kubor, Uba Penya Sing CEM ka KHDC, Ulaong ba ka committee kan lit kendo biang yu menteri katanat kampo iyeng kari India u Amit Shah, hauni ubnay kumbala bu por mau haka jingkendo kabadang shudep shen.
We have decided that we'll host all the guests of the ADCs. When we had a meeting in Delhi several times discussing about the ongoing pending issue of the 125th Constitutional Amendment. So, regarding this, under the leadership of Pramod Boro, CM of Bodo, and Mr. Pradue, and all the leaders, and from Karbi Anglong, we discussed that we need to meet among all the ADCs once. So, Pramod has called us in Delhi last 2 weeks, where we had a meeting several times, and also met the Union Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah, to express our concern over the delay of this amendment. So during that meeting, which was held in Delhi, it was a fruitful meeting and positive response from the Union Home Minister, where he had told us that regarding the 125th Constitutional Amendment and this 6th schedule in particular will be taken into consideration. Not only that, he had told us that a committee will be formed, and within 1 month, that means this August 25th, this matter should be resolved. So we decided in the meeting in Delhi that we should meet again for another round of talks and discussion among us, so that what we will take steps from now to go forward regarding this pending matters. So we request you all to support this initiative, and also will stand united, because unless we are united, the central government will not listen to us. This is my sincere request to you all, the members, and with these few words, once again, I thank you all for coming to this meeting.
We had a meeting in Delhi last month with the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and we had asked him to honor the commitment given by the opposition and the ruling government that they will pass the 125th Amendment as soon as they come to power. So we met them, all of them. We were as one team, we went, and all the 10 district councils met the Union Home Minister. And today is a follow-up meeting to ensure that whatever commitments given by the Government of India is honoured in a time-bound manner. Many times we have had lack of coordination amongst the indigenous tribals of Northeast, the native people of Northeast, and therefore our voices are not heard in a uniform manner in Delhi. So we have decided that if we speak individually, we will never be able to achieve whatever we want. So if we can combine our strength, our energy, and put pressure on the government of India, they will have to heed to our demand. I don't see any reason why they cannot do it. The Congress party, which is the opposition, has agreed to support the 125th Amendment. The ruling government in its manifesto has said that they will implement the 125th Amendment. So where is the delay? Maybe the delay is because we are not speaking out aggressively and we are not negotiating our rights properly with the government of India. So our effort will be to give maximum to our community, to our indigenous people from across the region. And the time has come for all of us to speak for our people rather than speak for our parties. That is the main agenda. He had assured us that within 1 month he will form a committee and address our problems. So it is very important that we hold him to his word. He didn't give me that commitment individually. He gave it to all the 10 district councils. And now he has to honor the commitment. Otherwise, we will have to put pressure in our own way, which may not be the best, in the best interest to the government of India. So I once again urge the government of India to honor its own words and ensure that the rights of our people, the legitimate rights of our people, are honored. We have formed a committee under the chief chair convener, Bapinyan. We are all the district council members are party to this committee, and we will give it an official structure. And if required, if we have to agitate, if we have to send memorandums, if we have to negotiate, we will do it as a joint working group rather than individually going to Delhi and talking and our issues not getting resolved. They have made special provisions for OBCs. They have made special provisions for tribals. Our laws predate the laws made by the Constitution of India. If Narendra Modi ji can take a Sengal to the parliament and say he is honouring the Tamil culture, then why can our traditional systems, in Meghalaya you have Rongba Shnong, you have the Darbar, you have the Shnongs, why can't the government of India give the same respect what they have given to the Sengal in the parliament? So the government of India cannot have a two-pronged policy where you are respecting Ayodhya, you are respecting the Sengal in the parliament, you are respecting Sanskrit and Nalanda University, but then you are not giving enough powers to our own cultural thing, our cultural system. So the government of India has to be fair to the historical India and as well as our historical and our customary laws. The government of India has to make provisions for us.
Sinjam hadin bala yok bani kenduk ya Union Home Minister Jongkari India Amit Shah bat ban ai kijing pensngau ka jungi lingba ka jing tho memorandum na baro shpotliki atun mas council de habide ba katu ka meeting hadalhi nakalyang Home Minister ulah pentip chingi bahapo ka arpusan terik uni benai August kamot shi benai kanthi on pendap no habide ba kani ka kam kabumut bahak ni ka jing yakren la shim ya karai ban dan ya ka committee nakalyang ka Home Ministry ba ngin ya kendu bat ngi nakapor ban ya pej ya kiniki jenit ki jenat ni kiniki benta ba her habai dei ba kani jing dawa ka jungi te habai dei ba kata nakalyang jungi ni sodei bandan sakawai patka jingelang ya ka bangila khot benta ka singi kini shpotorek hangni po nong ba shilong te nakalyang jungi ngaso ban penpau ka jing ai kublai kerpang ye ba produce I belong chairman jongka Triprasa nangta promote belong CM jongka Bodolan idan ru deputy CM jong Bodolan CM Jengkia nangta chairman jongka Garo Hills bat baro ki CM kia dan lang hani te ngila ya keren sani bah habide kene ka kam te kani ka ji keren mentak singi ka long be thik tang ban budin ya ke bangi ladep ban ya kendo ya Union Home Minister Delhi te bat shuai kani ka arpusan terik kumbala ai ketien yangi lingba Home Minister ngin persyangkat bala ban yo ban ya kendo yang sahisien bat ki official hak ministry ban penbej habide kanika memorandum ke mengilap ha te kabaar pat nakalyang jong kani ka meeting ngila shimru ya karai bandan ya kawai ka committee ka ban khle ka committee ka batmai ban klik ya kenika jing ya long kawai ka jungi jing ya teli jungi jong baro kini ki shpau teli ki autonomous council ya kenika komiti ngimpat ai kerteng henry lakshania hakini ki noilam bamenta da ka yim hibro kawai menne ngilakshania bangin sa penbenai ka kerteng kamshibit te yam menta hakani ka komiti la thung advisor ye ba produce de Burma i belong i chairman jong ka Triprasa nangta Saiway advisor iba Elwin Teron napo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council but labo chief convener yang kum CM jong KHDC but convener pat nakaliang napo Mizoram labo ya M Laiko ibelong CM jong ka Lai Hills Autonomous District Council but Saiway pat convener they promote Buro belong CM jong ka Budolan Territorial Council but ngidon shpomut ki members haganika committee iwe de napo BTC Ranjit Basumatri nangta Himanta Larma ide i MDC jongka Lai Chakma Autonomous District Council nangta Mr. Delson MDC jongka Mara Autonomous District Council nangta Mr. H. Lam Mua Nga Deputy Chairman jongka Lai Autonomous District Council nangta i Abhijit Kro ide MEC jongka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council nangta ima Thombor Shiwat ibelong CM jongka Jainti Hills Autonomous District Council nangta iba Rakesh A Sangma ibelong Chairman HPC jongka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council nangta Samuel Changsan ibelong EM naka North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council di Mahasau nangta iba Tito Starwell Khan long LO jongka HDC but iba Purna Chandra Jamatia belong CM jongka Tripura Territorial Autonomous District Council. Tekini ki nongkit kam ki khot ki members nang tangi don arngut ki convener but nakaliang jong aku chief convener but arngut ki advisor. Tekani ke komiti kan yalam ya kani ke kenhun jong shipotuli ki ADC Autonomous Council hapo North East hapo jong ke 6 schedule but ngin yo ban but din yakini ki kam banang sak te lada kalong hakanu kanu karukom ru ngilai long kawai ngilai teli ngilai shim da karai ke bas kem mene ba ngin hab bet ban penken mau ban penso ya sarkar India bahkan shim yakini ka kam kloy ya ke ban pendap te kan nomor babun sin kim don ba yatip UAU Reverend JJM Nichols Roy de uni uri rong ba nakanika ri ka jongi blai i jengai bandon ka jingyada ka bakerpang yang kum kiret pa hangi po thain lamit ni te deling ba ka jingya kun jongki nadu ka tu kapor nadu Gopinath Bodoloi kiwi ki noilam la penlong bangin yo ekanika 6 schedule ka banlong ka constitutional protection provision yangi habide ba ka jingyada ya ka hok long try man try la ka long kaktin kthliet ka riti dostor ka khndo ka siap but kiwe ki benta te kani de ke bangi shim ya karai but ngin sa pentip pat habide ba kateng jong ni kompeti shen te let's say ngin sa ikendu haka meeting ka ba buat pat kala benlong pat ha nong ba Delhi habide kata kublish bon to kumangila bensutu hadin mangila ikendu Delhi menshim benai yo Union Home Minister ngi la bu ya kajing pensau kabajur hau Home Minister badai ban shimkiano ini kakam namar omdai tang balik na kawe ka Autonomous Council omdai tang na ka KHDC na ka BTC na kani katai henry baro shpotuli ngila let tena kaliang jong Home Minister ka ka bau la ai ka jingkular ka assurance ka long ba hapo shibenai onla ban pendap no ini kakam kabamut dan ke komiti ban pentikena ban finalize no ya bar khoi kinaki jingdawa ke jongi shwaban wanra pat ban table hapo parlimen syo ke komiti ban ya kenduk yangi te ngila suthu ka kam kan ya kumno but kumbala banlong le se kila ban wanra baik haka next parliament session ke banwan le se hau ni benai telang Oktober dan November kita kidiki benai ki bangi kemi lenti le se ba kin la pat ban table ya kan ka bil